Hey there, welcome back to our kitchen. I'm Lauren and this is Casey. We're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors. Today we're sharing a fun twist on traditional egg salad.
Yes, we are. We're making pesto egg salad sandwiches.
Yes, I personally love pesto. I use it in a lot of different recipes. You of course can buy it right in the store, either sometimes it's by the deli or sometimes it's in the grocery aisles. Jarred pesto is really easy just to pick up.
Yes.
But it's also really easy to make at home, especially if you have some of these leftover ingredients. So to get started with making pesto, step one is you need some sort of leafy green. So today we're using kale, but you could use spinach. Basil is very traditional,
Yes.
basil pesto.
The kale makes this, it kind of has a milder taste than what like a basil pesto would have, but it's still definitely full of flavor.
Yes, very good. The next ingredient we're adding is a nut. So today we're adding pine nuts, but you could use walnuts. It's a very traditional type pesto as well. We have 2 cloves of garlic.
Yes.
Then we have some grated Parmesan cheese from our deli cheese island. And then we're adding just a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. And we're using a food processor to blend everything together today. Let's get this on here. Turn on our food processor. And mix it up. All right, so we gave that a good blend here, and our next step is we need to add in olive oil. So what we're going to do is we're going to add this in. What we would do, we would add this in a steady stream until it was completely emulsified, but I'm just going to add a little bit, turn it on, and then add a little bit more. So we're just going to add it right through the top here.
Really make sure it mixes well and it doesn't clump together.
Yes. Go ahead and add the rest. And that's it. That's how you make pesto
That was
sauce.
so easy, and it smells amazing already.
Yes, it has definitely that more fresh type flavor.
Yeah. Love that.
All right, so I'm going to take a 1/4 cup of this and add it to our egg salad.
Yep.
To our
so,
eggs, I should say.
Yes, so we've already hard-boiled our eggs. However you like to do that. There's lots of different methods out there. So we have our kale pesto. So now to this, I'm going to add some non-fat plain Greek yogurt.
And with the pesto, you're going to have extra with this recipe. What you can do with extra pesto, you can refrigerate it for about 5 to 7 days, or you can freeze it for up to 3 months and use it in pastas, pizza.
Oh, yeah.
You name it.
Other
Lots of different
sandwiches,
recipes.
yeah, definitely. And then I'm going to add some mayonnaise as well. And then if you could pass me the salt and pepper, I'm going to add
Yes, I can put
just
those
a
in.
sprinkle of those. Perfect. And I'll start mashing these together. So what we've kind of done is that Greek yogurt makes this kind of a lightened up version of a traditional egg salad. And it adds a really great kind of tangy flavor to it as well.
Yes, and this is a great way to use up if you have a lot of eggs, leftover eggs.
Oh, yeah.
Eggs that are approaching kind of the end of their life. Hard boiling them. You can also hard boil eggs in the Instant Pot or your pressure cooker is a really easy way to do it as well.
Yep.
As over the stove.
Yes. And to make them a little bit easier to peel after you've boiled them, I always find that placing them in an ice bath really helps to let them kind of sit. That makes the shells come off really easily once they're cooled.
And if you want an even faster shortcut, you can always buy pre-hard-boiled eggs right by the normal eggs in our stores.
Yes. Alrighty.
This looks good. So if you want to keep mashing that, I can bring over our... We're serving this today on a sandwich. Now you could serve this over leafy greens. Would be delicious as more as a salad. But for our sandwich today, we're using artisan bread from our bakery. This is a multi-grain, one of my favorites, but you could use a sourdough or really any type of your favorite bread. And then we are topping it with some arugula. If you hate arugula, I know some people really just don't like that peppery flavor of arugula. You could use spinach. We've also got aroma tomato that we've sliced up. And again, if you're not a big fan of tomato, skip that. You could add red onion, you could add avocado, really whatever you want to top your sandwich. But this egg salad is going to have a ton of flavor.
Oh yeah, for sure.
You could even put more pesto on top if you'd like.
Yes. All right, get some of this on our sandwiches.
This also makes great leftovers or lunches for the week.
Yes, and eggs are really an affordable source of protein and very versatile. So I definitely like using them in this recipe.
So we can top our sandwiches now.
Tomato.
I personally love arugula.
Oh yeah,
I have
agreed.
no problems with it.
No. All right.
Oh, this looks so good, so hearty.
Yes. And that bread just really makes it a great sandwich.
Yes, we get some of the salad here. That pesto is so fresh tasting.
And there's so much flavor in it too.
Yes. Well, we hope you make this excellent sandwich this week.
And to get this recipe on your phone, text EGG to 78402.
And for more recipes and resources from your Mealtime Mentors, visit bestfoods.com.